Welcome to today's episode of Wise Cars Channel. 002. Administrator of the Ford 2026 Ranchero 600-4006. This all-new model fuses high modern 010 capability of performance engineering to 012. Transform a truck into a car that says 014. It will alter both the muscle car and 016. The core pickup truck is divided at the end. 019. Of the Ford Ranchero Boss 604 from 2026 is 023. A gigantic 6L025. Tuned naturally aspirated V8 to deliver 028. An incredible 030. 604 horsepower this higher rearing. 033. Powerhouse is a clear reference to 035. Ford's racing history enhanced with 037. Internals of a forged cam shaft and a 040. Cutting-edge injection via dual fuel systems 042. For optimal efficiency and power output. 045. Paired with an automatic with 10 speeds 047. Transmitting the boss of the Ranchero 650-4051. Provides power that moves quickly and seamlessly 053. Ensuring an exhilarating delivery 056. Ford's driving experience is also 059. Supplying purists with an alternative 101. Manual with 6 speeds 102. Transmission rarity in today's 105. Automotive landscape the 2026 Ranchero. 108. Boss 604 go beyond simply raw 112. Horsepower, dynamic handling, and the rear wheels. 114. Is possible thanks to drive configuration. 118. Even though having all-wheel drive is 120. An option provides more traction too. 123. Ford's capacity to deliver on performance 125. Has increased to meet year-round demand 128. Suspension. 129. Incorporating adaptive dampers and a 131. Reinforced chassis that is as agile as 134. Possible, and the outcome of stability is a 136. Ranchero that not only does not control 139. Not only in a straight line, but also in a 141. Does an excellent job with Ranchero and its 144. Back roads that twist and turn Boss 604 of 2026 148. A formidable presence with its vicious 151. Yet sophisticated design up front a bold 154. Integrated LED lit grille that is blacked out 156. Lighting sets the tone flanked by sharp 2 o'clock. Modern LED headlights that incorporate 202. Ford's signature Colump design a 205. Hood that is sculpted and has air vents that work 207. Hints at the 208. Aerodynamic design that combines 211. Utility is seamlessly integrated into the sleekness of 213. Seats made of carbon fiber and a pickup bed 215. Muscle car seats fiber accents add a 218. Performance-oriented touch or flatbed. 220. Steering wheel magnesium digital. 222. Instruments in addition to paddle. 224. The shifter's cluster gives you total control. 227. Over-performance metrics to the driver 229. And the expensive Olon sound system 231. Produces sound that is crystal clear while the 233. Existence of a head-up display 235. Drivers pay attention to the road. 237. During runs at high speeds beyond 239. Performance and design thanks for 241. Observing my